Hey guys, it's me, Energy Gamer here, and if you can see at the top, I have 50,000 coins, and I don't even know how to say the word for my 50,000 keys, and the rest is just coins. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this. There's a game named Lucky Patcher. It is basically a hacking game, but you can only hack certain games. So, say you want to get maybe just a pile of coins. Maybe like 12 million coins. I'll show you how to download it. But all you gotta do, like for this game, you just tap on this, and it will take you to here. And you press yes. Now look at the top of the coins. You'll see it move. Now you see how my stuff has changed. You don't pay anything for it. It may hurt your device, but I've had this game for 3 days, so it has not hurt my device yet. So yeah, now I'm going to show you how to get it. 1 second. Okay. I'm going to go down, and then you gotta go to your network browser, right here. And then, what I did, like maybe, you go to like, maybe AppToy. I didn't do it off of this. Well, I kinda did. But, you go to AppToy, go to the official site. Now, if you have a tablet like me, you may have to turn off the security settings. And then, go. Oh. Well, I'm not gonna install it, but I'm gonna search up this Lucky Patcher. Now you go to Lucky Patcher, and you could do it this way, but I don't know, you shouldn't really try it. Okay, 1 second. I forgot what the name of it was. But you can go here. Just tap the first one. I don't know what happens with the rest. Just tap the first one though, and you should download it. I don't know if this works because I never use this. So. Or you could probably search up User Cloud, and then I don't know where that brings you to, but it goes there. It'll be on this screen, and you just press download, and it'll download. This is what I used. Now I'll show you the real app. Go right here. You go to Lucky Patcher. It'll bring up here. It'll show you all your games. Now I don't know what the colors mean, like on the games. But I think the red ones mean that you can't hack it. But you cannot hack this game. I tried it. It doesn't work. I don't really know about this, but I know it works for this because I've used it. Those are the only games that I really know, though, that work for it. I haven't tried anything else out. Other than Jetpack Joyride, Clash of Clans, and Subway Surf. So, yeah, I'm going to show you. We just go to Subway Surf. Now I'll play around for you guys, just for the video to be interesting. As you can see, I have all the characters except for the diamond Facebook. See? All the characters, I bought all of them. Now, do a little shop. Just buy. Just buy until you have as much coins as you want. See? And then you can go to the credit keys and get keys. I hope this helps you out, because it's kind of boring spending money. Everybody's got to admit it. And, yeah. So I'm going to go to a new character. I'm going to do this one. Actually, I'm gonna go to this now. Okay, now we're gonna play. Crap. It's hard when you get here. I am a good player at this game, but I just learned this from a friend at school, so. Woo! Sorry if it's kind of quiet in the background. I'm just eating some cereal. Because I just got home from school. And guess what? It's Friday! And where I made my first videos, I'm going back to that place. Up north. How I was in that room. But I won't be recording in the room. But I won't be recording at all up north. So that means I probably won't have a video out for, I think, 3 days. Hey, it might be my high score. Which is like 371,000. So, that would be hard. No! Jetpack again. $3. No! I'm eating a bowl of cereal. Can't blame me for that. After this one, it'll be the end. It's gonna be my high score, and if I die, I just die. Well, that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. I hope you liked it. Bye bye. Woo!